What's up, you guys? Bubba Sawyer here, coming at you with a video showing you how to take a steering wheel off of a 73 through 79 Ford pickup truck and or Bronco. Reason we're taking the steering wheel off is to put a aftermarket aluminum racing steering wheel on there, because it just looks better than the factory. Or if you know you need to get in there to change your horn mechanism, which this has got a cruise control on this, which is not hooked up. Horn doesn't work. All that. So we're gonna get back at you here and show you, how to take your steering wheel off. On this side of the steering wheel and up here on the other side, you got two Phillips screws. That's a four-way screwdriver or a Phillips head screws. You need to take those out, so we'll get back at you once we get those two screws taken out. Now, with your two Phillips head screws out, you can take a pocket knife or a flat blade screwdriver and gently prise at this piece. Bezel comes off, and there you see a big nut on there. It takes a 16 socket. So you break that loose and your steering wheel should come off. We'll get back at you once we get it taken off. Here's what the racing steering wheel looks like mounted on. I'll show you the box with the kit that I got. I got this at Advance, or not Advance, I got it at AutoZone, sorry. Advance didn't have it. O'Reilly's didn't know what I was talking about, so they couldn't search it. They was searching stuff for a horn clock spring. But this kit here says it's for Chevrolet, Buick, Cadillac, Jeep, all that. So I put it on there, and the splines was like a little thicker than my splines. I mean, it fit down on it, but it wouldn't go all the way down on there. So when I got done, put the nut on there, and I got the steering wheel on, and I tightened that nut down and forced it down over top of it. I had to use a single washers in behind those bolts there, because the steering wheel was loose. But I got all that on there and tightened up. It come with this half bell piece to cover all the ugly mechanism down in there. I didn't know it come with that, so I went ahead and made a disc to go down behind here to cover all that. So if we're just getting this part and the bolts off eBay, you can do like I did and make like a CD cover. I made this out of a Rubbermaid container lid, which I won't be using this, but that's what I was going to use, because I didn't know it came with that. So figured out that's what that was for. So there's my steering wheel. And I'll put my Ford steering wheel cover back on. So, people ask me, why did you take the stock Ford steering wheel? I'll put this on. I think this is a lot more cooler, and it's just all around, better looking. So, thanks for watching, guys.